Welcome back. Let's consider heterogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture is a type of mixture whose constituents are not evenly distributed. This means that some parts of the mixture can have different physical property than the other. It means some parts of the mixture can be more colorful than the other, or some parts can be more concentrated than the other, or some parts can contain more undissolved particles than the other, or some parts can be more dilute than the other, as the case may be. Examples of such mixture are the following. We have muddy water. This is muddy water here. Some parts of the muddy water contain water, while some parts contain more sand particles than the other, while some parts contain more water than the other. You can see constituents are not evenly distributed. Next, we have smoke. Consider the particles of smoke. They travel at different speed. Consider them. You can see some parts of the smoke are more concentrated than the other. Some parts contain more smoke particles than the other. Next, we have sandstorm. Now, consider the sandstorm. Over here, we have more sand particles here, while some parts are they are containing less sand particles. This shows that the particles are not evenly distributed. And this is a good example of heterogeneous mixture. Now, we have sand in water. Consider sand poured inside water. The sand will settle down due to gravity. So, this is another heterogeneous mixture. You can see that this part contains more of sand than water, while the upper part contains more of water than sand. It shows that the particles or the constituents are not evenly distributed. And this is a good example of heterogeneous mixture. Next, we have fog, mist, and cloud. So, fog, mist, and cloud is a solution of water vapor in air. You can see that the water vapor are not evenly distributed in the air. That's how it happens for the three, both fog, mist, and cloud, and even dew. All of that are not homogeneous mixture. They are heterogeneous mixture. Now, let's see the classification of heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture can further be classified into two. We have the colloidal dispersion and suspension. Colloidal dispersion is also known as false solution. Examples of such are starch solution, paint, milk, honey, fog, mist, cloud, dew, etc. We'll consider colloidal dispersion in our next video. Now, let's see examples of suspension. Muddy water, sand in water, sandstorm, etc. And we shall consider suspension in detail in our next video.